In part 1, we discussed regarding the control wiring and its functioning of VD4 backup. And in part 1, up to trip circuit was discussed. Now the remaining portion will be explained in this video. This breaker on off indications is required in panel. So on the control panel of the fixed part of the panel, there will be indications of breaker on off. That will be wired through these contacts. This is normally open contact. When the breaker closes, breaker main contact closes. This contact, auxiliary contact will also made and it will be closed. And breaker on indication will appear on the in the panel. Similarly, breaker off indication is also wired like this. So when breaker is off, this contact will be made. It is NC contact. So it will be made when the breaker is in off condition, and off indication will be coming on the panel. So these LEDs or lamps are located in relay control panel of 11 kV panel, relay cubicle. That cabinet it is located. So through breaker, this contact will be wired to the fixed portion of the panel. In breaker also we can take some indications. Similarly, on off indication is in some breakers it's available. On the front panel of the VCB cubicle, VCB unit, there will be indication, on off indication that can be wired through these contacts. Here you can see this break CBO and CBO. It's similar, same like this. And the spring charge indication, if the spring is charged, this contact will be made, and the spring through spring charge, if the spring is in discharge condition, the motor will be spring charging motor will operate only if the breaker is in discharge, the spring is in discharge condition. To ensure that there is one limit switch placed at the top of the spring. So when it is fully charged, this contact will be made open. So further charging will be prevented, and the motor will be in off condition. Whenever the spring is discharged, next charging of the motor spring will take place through operating the motor. The condition for discharging of a spring is once the spring is charged, it will make one close and one trip. So after tripping, this contact will be made. Then it will again, the spring will be charged for next one close and trip. That's the condition.